two global hiring giants. But when it comes to building remote teams in 2025, which one actually comes out on top? On the left, Deel, built to make global teams thrive. And on the right, Remote, championing remote work worldwide. Let's cut past the hype and see how these platforms perform where it counts. We'll score in every category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who leads. The winner might surprise you. Okay, here's the roadmap. We're going to look at global coverage, employer of record, contractor management, compliance and security, onboarding and HR, pricing transparency, scalability, and finally, customer support. Think of this as our little comparison mind map. Let's tick through category by category. Starting off with global coverage, Deel basically eats the world for breakfast. You get support in over 150 countries, plus their own payroll infrastructure, which is wild. But yeah, they do lean on third parties for some spots, so just keep that in mind. Now, Remote, they're more like the methodical world traveler. Coverage in 75 plus countries with their own entities, super solid for compliance and local rules. But overall, Deel's footprint is just bigger. So for global reach, Deel takes it. Next up, employer of record. This is super important if you want to legally hire someone basically anywhere. Deel's rocking direct employment in 150 plus countries. Like, that's almost set it and forget it style. Sure, you'll pay if you want all the bells and whistles. Meanwhile, Remote, they're super compliant in their 75 plus countries, and they do extra local legal review for the contracts. Love that attention to detail. But scaling's slower because they loop in third-party teams sometimes. Deel feels smoother here, so they take the crown. Now onto contractor management. Deel kind of spoils you, like 15 payment options, W-9 and 1099 automation for US folks. Oh, and did you see their Deel card? It's a whole vibe. Downside? If you need that misclassification protection, yeah, you'll need to pay up for a premium plan. Remote's got your onboarding set with compliant global contracts. It's automated and works well, but there are fewer payment methods. So for flexibility and perks, Deel's the pick.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the number of remote workers is expected to double by 2026?
Yeah, wild. If you're not global yet, you might want to jump in before everyone else does. Let's talk about compliance and security. Honestly, both nail it. Deel's built with localized expertise and has automated tax filings. Love that convenience. The only thing, sometimes you'll deal with a third-party partner if you need coverage everywhere. Remote, though, goes deep where they operate. Watertight compliance thanks to owned infrastructure, but they can't cover as many countries. So it's honestly a tie. Just depends if you want everywhere or ultra secure in fewer places. Switching gears to onboarding and HR. Deel's got those localized onboarding guides and compliance checks, but the process isn't exactly lightning fast. Remote, on the other hand, really shines with comprehensive automation and slick tutorials. Speedy onboarding is the name of the game here. Limitation? Kind of weak offboarding support, but for getting people in quickly, Remote scores higher. All right, pricing transparency. And yikes, Deel starts at $29 a month for contractors and gives you some flexible plans. But the little things, transaction fees, signing fees, deposit charges, they all add up. Remote's also from $29 per user per month. And honestly, their pricing is super predictable and clear. Yes, you'll pay more for advanced stuff, but you know what you're getting into. So if you hate surprise charges, Remote's the winner here. On to scalability. Deel, this is their playground. If you want to go global tomorrow with 100 new countries, Deel's got the built-in tools for massive expansion. They're totally designed for rapid scaling and end-to-end management. Remote, excellent option for smaller companies. Adapts well as you grow, but third-party stuff can slow you down when you cross a bunch of regions. For speed and serious global scaling, Deel definitely comes out on top. Last up, customer support. Both Deel and Remote really want you to know you have compliance experts at your side. Deel's got a dedicated compliance team. Remote's support is specialized and local. I mean, honestly, neither stands out especially strongly, and there's not tons of data to get super picky. So I'll just say both do the job, but it depends on what kind of help you need. Can't pick a clear winner here. If you squint at the radar chart, you're gonna see Deel's consistently ahead in global reach, scaling, and all those contractor bells and whistles. Remote stands out for onboarding and pricing. The strengths and quirks really show up when you look at the big picture. To sum it up, Deel is that go big or go home platform for enterprises who want to scale everywhere fast. Remote just nails it for startups and SMBs that care about easy onboarding, clear pricing, and want all compliance boxes checked, but don't need to be everywhere at once. At the end of the day, if rapid global growth is your thing, Deel feels unbeatable. If you want no surprises and smooth onboarding, Remote's your best friend. If this comparison helped, great. My advice, try out a free trial on both Deel and Remote. See which fits your vibe and team best. You'll know pretty quick which one's your winner.